Good morning, everyone. Myself, Gayatri Manwade, lecturer in ADFT GPW Hubli. My subject is Fashion Designing, a theory subject of first semester ADFT. And this last previous sessions, we have discussed about human anatomy's relevant topics such as knowledge of eight-heads theory, divisions of eight-heads theory, types of figures classification, and then the examples of normal and abnormal figures in detail we have discussed. Now let us proceed further with the next topic, that is difference between normal figure and fashion figure. So here, as I told you earlier, a normal figure is nothing but it's a proportionate figure. It's a proportionate figure. Why we call it so? Because the height and the girth measurements in this figure are coordinating each other. As in this figure, the neck, the shoulder, the arms, and even in this figure, the shoulders are very graceful. Anything you drape on the shoulder, just example, sari pallu or dupatta, it drapes very nicely and it seems very attractive in appearance. And the hands of the normal figures are normal in height and their girth measurements are also normal. The legs, calf, everything is normal. So then compared to other abnormal figures, these figures are normally. The features are normal in this. So whereas we compare this figure with the fashion figure, what is the difference? The difference is nothing but the fashion figures are taller than the normal figures and their waist is slim and fit. The waist is one head wide. As we have studied heads theory, eight heads theory we have studied. Here the waist area will be one head wide. It's equal to one head portion. So the figure seems very thin and perfect. They are very much attractive personalities or figures. The neck will be long, thin enough so that unique attention will be paid at the waist and then neck area. And if they wear jewelries and all, they seems to be very attractive. And shoulders are straightened shoulders. Only how much slope is required at the shoulder area, that much perfect slope will be there at the shoulder area. And then their hands and fingers are thin and delicate, but with minimum detailed structure will be there. And even thighs are thin, calf is also thin. Then the ankle will be thin and step will be defined with special characters and features. So these figures are called as fashion figures. Even their face structure will be thin and long face. So the figure seems to be a fashion figure. And these figures are especially suitable for ramp walks, modeling purpose, fashion advertising purpose. These kinds of figures or personalities are good. Now, let us have a glance on multiple choice questions. First question is graceful shoulder slope present in. Next question, delicate thin hands with minimum details refers to. The answers are question 1 option is A, question 2 option is B. So let us hope you all have understood the difference of normal and fashion figure. I will join you people in the next session with next topic. Until then, see you guys. Take care.